Hi guys, it's Kamara Naturals back with another video. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and press that notification bell. I post natural hair videos predominantly on this channel twice a week, Wednesdays and Saturdays. So thanks for coming by and be sure to give this a huge thumbs up if you like the video. In this video, I am talking about why I do not use eggs as a protein treatment. If you're interested, keep watching. I've done a video in the past recently actually, and I sort of asked you guys what you think about eggs as a protein treatment. I think in our childhood and even now, some people still use eggs as a protein treatment. There's a lot of videos on YouTube how to use egg, for longer hair, stronger hair, or as a protein treatment, period. And I asked you guys if you're interested in me doing a video on why I do not use it as a protein treatment. And a few of you said, yes, please, because we want to know. And I'm here to do that video, to talk about eggs and why I do not use them as a protein treatment. So if you know anything about protein, you will know that protein, well, our hair is made out of protein, keratin. And the purpose of protein or doing a protein treatment is to strengthen the hair. So protein goes into the gaps that are sort of lacking in protein in the strand of the hair to strengthen it. And that obviously means less breakage and more length, better length retention, etc. So that's the purpose of a protein or a protein treatment. Now, in order for the protein to go into the shaft of the hair, and fill in those gaps and create a stronger strand of hair, the protein needs to be able to penetrate the hair. And unfortunately, eggs have protein. Okay, it's true, eggs do have protein, but unfortunately the protein in the egg is too large to penetrate the shaft of the hair. What does that mean? Well, that means that it cannot go into the shaft of the hair to fill in the gaps and strengthen the hair. It means that it cannot really aid in strengthening your hair from the inside of the hair. However, it can strengthen the hair from the outside. So if you are looking for a very temporal fix and you're looking just for an external strengthening of your hair, you can use egg, and I don't mind using egg for that. But mostly when I do my protein treatments, I like the protein to go inside the shaft of the hair to strengthen the hair from the inside and give it that resistance and that, ooh, the egg just almost fell from the table. The protein, I like the protein to go in there and give me, the strength that I want from the inside or from the shaft of the hair. So the next question is going to obviously be, all right, if we're not going to use eggs, what are we going to use to strengthen our hair or as a protein treatment? My advice is to look for the word hydrolyzed. Hydrolyzed. When you look for products that you want to be strengthening and to be a protein treatment, you want to look for the word hydrolyzed. And hydrolyzed just means that the protein in that product has been designed, or it's a protein that has been broken down into really small, tiny little particles that it can actually penetrate the shaft of the hair to go and do its job as a protein treatment. So anything from hydrolyzed protein, hydrolyzed keratin, hydrolyzed silk, I think there is, and soy, hydrolyzed soy, anything hydrolyzed, some kind of protein will do the job. You don't have to be a geek about this, just know that word. Hydrolyzed means the protein is small enough to penetrate your hair to strengthen the hair. Another tip when you're selecting a protein treatment is to but be aware that the higher up the protein is, the more effective and the stronger your hair will be left at the end of it. So if you look at the first 5 ingredients of a product, that will give you an idea how strengthening that protein is going to be. So if the hydrolyzed protein is at number 30 of the ingredient list, it probably won't be that strengthening. It'll probably be very much maintenance, if that at all. So I'm going to give you 2 examples of products that I think are great proteins. One as a maintenance one and one as an actual treatment. Actually, both can be used as a treatment, to be honest. And the first one is this Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask from Shea Moisture. This one is great if you want something to maintain the strength of your hair. You can use it as a treatment as well, but I would use it as a maintenance kind of thing. If you wanted an actual protein treatment, you would have to look for something stronger than this one. So this product has got protein at around number 10, 11 on the ingredient list. So it's a little bit lower than I would like for an actual protein treatment, but it will work great as a maintenance thing. It's got hydrolyzed wheat protein, hydrolyzed wheat starch, and a little bit down, hydrolyzed keratin it's got. So it's got a few kinds of protein in it. So it might actually work as a treatment just because there's a lot of protein. It's not just one protein in there. There's a few types of protein, and that can work as a protein treatment. Another one, if you want to go all natural, this is a new product from Shebe USA, and this is the Shebe fermented rice water. It's 100% natural if you're concerned about chemicals, and on the ingredient list, protein is number 4. It's got hydrolyzed rice protein, but this one is a full-blown protein treatment. If you want a protein treatment without the chemicals and you want something super natural, this is one to definitely try. Obviously, I've used some before. I think you can get maybe 2 or 3 treatments out of this one, depending on how much hair you have. So these are just a couple of examples of protein treatments that you can use for your hair. You can use egg if you want to, but just be aware that the egg is strengthening the hair from the outside, not from the inside out. So, you know, it's up to you. You can use it, but if you want something that really penetrates the hair, go hydrolyzed protein. So that's pretty much it for this video. Comment below, let me know what kind of protein you use for your hair. If you find eggs beneficial to strengthening your hair as a protein treatment, what other protein treatments you use for your natural hair. I'm sure there'll be someone that will benefit in the comments below from your experience and your advice. So please share your comment. I answer comments, and be sure to definitely subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell to make sure you don't miss 2 videos per week. Wednesdays and Saturdays I post videos without fail. So yeah, I hope to see you in my next video. Until next time, it's Pamara Naturals. Bye.